Alright, welcome back to the channel everyone. This is the Crypto Takeover. Coming back again with another video and another altcoin review for the day. So I asked my Telegram group what they'd like to see, and got some responses back. XLM was kind of on there, so we're gonna go over XLM today because that seemed to be the one that they picked out the best. So if y'all are interested in joining the Telegram group, I do have a link down in the description below. Y'all can go check out the Telegram group. I kind of do updates. Some signals sometimes, not really signals, but just like I'll do some screenshots of what market Cipher is telling me if I see anything bearish or bullish, and I'll let y'all know from there. So it is not financial advice though. This is for entertainment purposes only. You need to do your own due diligence and research before you decide to get invested into this market. Okay. Also, we're almost at 500 subs as well, so I'm doing that Ledger Nano S giveaway, and I'll be sending out newsletters as well, probably on a maybe weekly or monthly basis. But go ahead and get signed up. The only way that you can enter the drawing is to be signed up on the website. So the cryptotakeover.io, first link down in the description below, and that'll automatically enroll you in the Ledger Nano S giveaway. And I'm also doing another giveaway at 1,000 subs. I think I'll do like a $50 giveaway, maybe like in Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash or something like that. So we can talk about that later on. Let's jump into XLM. So Stellar. All right. So a little bit of like previous knowledge of Stellar. I know it's a competitor to XRP, and it's kind of one of those coins that is more decentralized than XRP, but also to help back the banks a little bit too. So if anything, I would have rather supported XLM, but honestly, like I feel like XLM is kind of like in a bearish downtrend right now compared to I think where XRP was last time I saw it. So we still probably have some ways to go to work on this. But as you can see, we've been still in this downtrend, getting pushed down. Yellow X's here on the 1 day. Just tremendous sell-off happening, right? So we have to be in consideration of this. To say that we could probably go a little bit lower as well. This is the Coinbase chart, so XLM to USD, and we did have this spike. This was back in September, okay, and then this was earlier September. We had this huge spike here on XLM, and I think I remember that too, because then it was like, oh man, should we throw our money into it or not? And look where it just came right back down, right? So yeah, we did actually put in a new lower low on XLM, which is kind of crazy to think about, and maybe a good scooping opportunity if you're interested in getting into this coin as well. So as you can see here on our 2-day, still everything is just like in a downtrend right now. We have our bullish divergences happening, but as we have seen with this market, the divergences are not even playing out right now. So we're best to just kind of sit tight on the side and just kind of wait to see what happens with the market as well. So let's jump into our 3-day here. I do believe that the next video that I wanted to do was something like let's see what they had talked about here, because I'm asking the Telegram chat, and also we have the Discord group. So if y'all are interested in joining the Discord group, I do have that link down in the description below. There's a few people in here. It's just a conversation starter. We got a few more people joining as well, so that's nice. But yeah, get in there, share information on what you know, and what your ideas are, and you can get a hold of me in Discord if you want. Just at me, and I'll feel free to respond to you. I mean, I had a guy reach out to me in Discord, and he's a good sub. I talk to him during my live stream sometimes, and we're all in this together, y'all. We're in it together. We have to understand that the market is very challenging right now, and it can reflect on some of our other things going on in our life as well too. So just hold tight, y'all. I've not given up on this market yet, but at the same time, we have been given an extra opportunity to accumulate, you know? So figure out if you ended up taking some losses like, we all did, like if market goes down and you don't sell or whatever you're trying to trade and you don't know how to trade, like, uh, it happens, and it's a quick way to bite you in the butt, right? But also with that, we've been given another bear market opportunity before we decide to go back up, and we have to evaluate that as to what's the reason for this, and why are we making lower lows, and that's probably because, okay, getting woo wooey now, but universe probably knows that, like, a lot of us probably were doing things with our crypto that we shouldn't have been doing, right? And but they want to still give us, universe still wants to provide for the people and give us another opportunity at this. So decide how you can start generating some cash flow on the side and where you want to buy in at these markets, because we are in a nice little sell area, and get your crypto for cheap right now as well area. So you know take it as a curse and a blessing, I guess, and that's kind of how you have to look at it. So yeah, with that being said, y'all, the XLM here on the 3-day as well continued downtrend. It doesn't even look like any accumulation is trying to happen. It just looks like in a steady sell-off here, which is not pretty. Not pretty at all. Because we don't really know what the bottom of this holds down here for us. Even if I was to pull up the volume range indicator, you know, we really wouldn't know how far this would be to retrace down, because as you can see, we've already broke lower our previous lows, which was at about 5 cents, and now we're sitting at almost 4 cents. So yeah, I definitely feel like that could happen. 4 cents, accumulation down here possibly is probable. We'll have to just kind of roll with the punches here on this. Let's take a look at our 4-day. 4-day does kind of look like it wants to curve off a little bit. 5-day here, everything is still under our EMAs as well. Take a look at our 6-day. Yeah, so nice little red blood diamond here on our 6-day, just huge sell off, right? So honestly, I feel like we could even go a little bit lower, probably down to like maybe 3 cents, for 4.5 cents possibly, maybe, so if y'all are interested, I am using TradingView, and I do have a link down for that down below. I'm currently using the Pro Plus, which allows more indicators and you to visualize more things on the screen. But I mean, even the Pro or the Basic is fine. Y'all can support me and the girlfriend by using that link down in the description below to get signed up. She helps support me by paying for the Pro Plus edition, so that's nice of her. And y'all can support her out by clicking that link down in the description below. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, I do have that Bybit link down there, but do not deposit your Bitcoin. Just go ahead and get signed up with that link, but then also ask how you can access the testnet here with support. So get signed up, message support. Hey, I want to access your testnet to practice my trading, and they'll get you all set up and squared away with on that. I am using the Brave browser, so good, cool way to browse the web but also get paid. You can get BAT token, which I just did a video on BAT too not too long ago. Y'all can go check out that video. Easy way to get paid while browsing the web, and that's basically you just click the ads when they pop up, and you get a percentage of that from that token. Also, I am a Brave browser content creator, so y'all can tip me in BAT token if y'all like on my YouTube page or the Twitter handle as well. I do have the Twitter handle _cryptotakeover, and y'all can go check that out too. I did want to show y'all that crypto tab browser as well, which is pretty cool. We got some people signing up for it, so hopefully y'all are out there mining y'all's BTC. I don't really use it while I'm running the videos, just so it doesn't take up any space, but I just want to pull it up to show y'all. Here, we'll also take a look at our 6-day. I did want to get into the weekly here on XLM. And so our weekly here on XLM, kind of interesting. It does look like the red, or that's the RSI, I believe, is starting to take off there. But yeah, even our weekly, still looks like we have a nice little range to the downside because of our blood diamond here as well. So just be prepared. That's all there is to it. Start accumulating that cash flow on the side, and y'all can get ready to buy this dip, or ready to buy the bottom pretty much. And I'll be keeping y'all up to date on what market Cipher is looking like too. If y'all want to become a premium member, I do have my Patreon group, so y'all can get signed up for that as well. And I do have a new post in there. My top 2 coins is the brand new post, so y'all can check that out. It's basically I want to provide the Patreon with my private videos and private discussion groups too. So join the Patreon group. I'll add you to the Patreon Discord, so we can do live chats as well, and y'all can stay up to date with that. So yeah, but y'all will get access to my first 2 top pick coins, and that's basically because I've funneled a bunch of different groups together. Other groups that I'm in paid for groups as well to get ideas and information from, and I kind of want to funnel them into the Crypto Takeover Patreon. So yep. And with that being said, y'all, yeah, it doesn't look like we have any info on our monthly, but our weekly, just not looking good. But definitely feel like we could have a nice sell buy opportunity as well. Sorry about the dishwasher noise in the background. And last but not least, Crypto Tab. So y'all can start mining Bitcoin straight from your web browser. I usually leave this running when I'm not trying to make videos, so that way it just doesn't take up computer power. But it'll use your graphics processor and start to mine Bitcoin straight from the web browser. I don't really use this one to browse the web, but I do use it as a background process to just make some passive income. So if y'all are interested in making Bitcoin passive income, then y'all can use your computer to start mining for you, and by clicking that link down in the description below. And with that being said, I hope y'all have a great evening. I'll be keeping everyone up to date with what's going on. If y'all want to support me, join the Patreon group, join the Telegram group. I'm about to do the giveaway as well with the Ledger Nano S, so you need to be signed up at cryptotakeover.io. And we'll announce the winner probably within one of the next videos soon. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's just take a look at where XLM is at on the coin of the market caps. If I could refresh the page here. Okay. I do believe XLM was top 10 maybe, or top 20 at least, so I'm not sure where it's sitting at now, but if this will ever load. But if not, let's take a look, because I know, yeah, XRP is definitely just sitting there at the top. Alright, well, we'll just go ahead and end this now. I'm pretty sure XLM was like at least top 15 or 20. But yeah, anyways, y'all have a great evening. Good talking to y'all. Talk to y'all soon.